I used to be painting and drawing every single day when I was younger, and lately I've been really inspired to start painting again. But I noticed my painting skills aren't as good as they used to be. So I challenged myself to a 30 days painting challenge. I'll be trying to paint something every single day for these 30 days, and I'm gonna take you guys with me on this journey. I also need some inspiration on what I'm gonna paint every day, so I'll keep on polls on my Instagram on what you want me to paint. So if you don't follow me on social media yet and you want to see more paintings, go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you can help me with this challenge. So without further ado, this is the 30 days painting challenge. Hi everyone, welcome to today's challenge. So today we're gonna be decorating this wooden old wine box that I found. I'm planning on planting some sunflowers in here, so we're gonna decorate it really cute so my sunflowers have a beautiful home. So yeah, let's dive into it.
On your eyes, walk way back when you know that I'm okay. Streets not safe, but I never run afraid. Even when I'm away. Lips on your eyes, walk way back when you know that I'm okay. Streets not safe, but I never run afraid. Even when I'm away. OT, it's never much love. OT, I pray. I pray, that's why hips on your eyes, walk way back when you know that I'm okay. Streets not safe, but I never run afraid. Even when I'm away. Hips on your eyes, walk way back when you know that I'm okay. Streets not safe, but I never run afraid. Even when I'm away. OT. Never much love, OT. I pray, maybe I can run peace. I pray, that's why
So I'm just putting a layer of Mod Podge on there to make sure it really sticks and my paint doesn't drip when it starts raining outside. I love this so much. I cannot wait to plant my sunflowers in here. They're probably gonna outgrow this box really quick because sunflowers grow really quick. But I just think this is really cute and I like it very much.